barangay, but the whole community of Tanza. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again to our top 10 Binibining Tanza 2026 candidates.
Well, I must admit, sa 10 nating top finalists, I was struck in awe. Yeah.
Yes, I
Grabe.
agree.
Grabe yung kanilang intelligence, plus really the awareness, the social awareness. Grabe, I really love all of these ladies. At nasisigurado kong napakahirap sa puntong ito sa ating mga judges, how they are scoring all of our binibinis.
They are making the judges work even harder from what they have shown in their performance in the casual interview tonight.
Yes, actually. And of course, after hearing their answers or after hearing their thoughts to every topic given to them, maya-maya lamang po ay we will now be announcing our top 5 binibinis who will be facing the last segment, which is the question and answer portion. But again, I will now be saying thank you to all of our sponsors. Again, sila po ang reason kung bakit meron tayong na-enjoy na ganitong klaseng pageant or prestigious pageant here at Tanza, Cavite. First and foremost, thank you to our very much loving and ever supportive Mayor, again, Mayor SM Matro. Thank you so much. And maraming salamat to Councilor or Konsehal Derek Matro, followed by Konsehal Alexis Dones, salamat po. Konsehal Cheryl Langit, thank you. Also to Councilor Ryan Mintu, maraming salamat to ABC Orly Gozo, SK President Patrick Bocalan, thank you. And also to our municipal admin, Sir Louis de la Cruz, maraming salamat po. And once again, this event has been being audited by Santa Ana Law Firm in collaboration with San Beda. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much for instilling fairness and equality in tonight's event. And of course, the efforts of the Board of Judges. Maraming salamat po for spending your time, your effort, your knowledge sa lahat po ng ating kaganapan ngayong gabi.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we also have more sponsors helping us making this prestigious pageant not just successful, but also memorable for every Binibini. Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to present to you again our esteemed list of sponsors tonight. Thank you so much once again to Anyana. Thank you to O Grace. Thank you so much to La Sorpresa Flower Shop. Thank you to Carl Arcusa. Thank you so much to Imperial Network Incorporated. Thank you to the Oral Drip made in Japan. Thank you to Villa Excellence Beach and Wave Pool Resort, Antel Grand Village. Thank you once again to WPD Safety Gears and Skin Goodness, Skin City On Image Photo Booth, Poy Reyes and Polash. Thank you. Also, maraming salamat to Mikey Andre, Jojo Bragais. Thank you to Guns and AMMO Tanza Branch and Don Claudius Lechon, Black and Brown Cafe, Armentia Dental Clinic. Maraming salamat to Angeli and Company, Beauty Studio and Argas. Maraming salamat Fitpod and Amora Beauty Lounge and Cafe, Mesa SM City and Yaw SM Sansa. Bio Essence, Shining Star Online Shop by Sunshine Murillo, Roadside Restaurant and Pro Friends. Thank you so much to you, all of you. So partner, after of course ng ating tabulation with our top 10 and with our answers, we are very excited to come to our last leg of the competition, and that will be the top 5 Q&A. And again, ang ating tanong ay one and being provided of course by our management para po sa lahat ng ating Bini-Bini. So, to all of our Tanzanians, mga kababayan, please stick with us at sa lahat po ng nanonood ng ating live streaming using our official Facebook page, using Municipality of Tanza official Facebook page, as well as the Bini-Bining Tanza 2026. Keep on commenting, keep on sharing, keep on sending your hearts, and keep on cheering for your bet. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the Bini-Bining Tanza 2026 Coronation Night.
Again, thank you so much to all the supporters present here tonight. Pinaglalaanan talaga nila ng panahon at oras para masuportahan nila yung mga candidates nila.
Yes, actually, I would like to appreciate as well, hindi lang yung mga handlers na tinatawag natin or the artists behind the team of every Bini-Bini, but also yung kanilang mga kapitbahay, kaibigan, mga classmate, at mga kagrupo kung anumang organisasyon ang kanilang kinabibilangan. Maraming salamat po for expressing your love, your solid support sa kada Bini-Bini or kandidata natin ngayong araw. All assured that all of your efforts po ay appreciated at it will leave a special marks in the heart of every Bini-Bini.
All the candidates were actually thanking, diba, their supporters. And they really appreciate the loud applause that they hear from you. It energizes them, diba, to continue fighting and of course to pursue becoming the Bini-Bining Tanza 2026.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, after we tabulate the scores, we will be inviting again all of our Bini-Binis here on stage as we announce and give you the last cut or our top 5 for Bini-Bining Tanza 2026 Grand Coronation Night. Maraming salamat again to our Municipality of Tanza for collaborating with K-Snap Events and K-Snap Productions, headed by our dearest and ever gorgeous director, Direk Kathy of K-Snaps. Always thank you for having us. How about our online viewers? What are your thoughts? Who do you think will be in the top 5 and who do you think will be crowned as the first ever Bini-Bining Tanza 2026? Please just comment. Keep on sharing para po yung iba ay alam nila that this is happening. Actually, 2 weeks or maybe less than 3 weeks preparation lang to. But we really do appreciate the effort that they exerted. First, the costume. Second, could you imagine that in a short notice of time, all of the candidates, including their creative teams, were able to produce those flamboyant, beautiful costumes that only speaks how creative every every artist here within our community. And I must say, all of the ladies here, some of them are students, some of them are working, but yet, nandito sila gracing us with their presence and elegance. Maraming salamat to all of our Bini-Binis. And congratulations for making it this far. Doon pa lang sa makasama ka na sa 33 candidates, sinala kasi yan eh. Dumaan sila sa private closed-door interview. Lahat sila ay sinalang maigi and 33 of them made it. And now, napakabilis ng panahon. From being 33, we are now waiting for the top 5 to be announced. What do you think about it, partner?
You know, partner, kahit hindi ako taga-Tanza, I've witnessed the fairness, really, of screening these beautiful candidates, the 33 equally gorgeous candidates. And up to now, that we're leading to knowing who the top 5 candidates are, really, we are prioritizing, you know, the fairness of this competition.
Plus, upon reading all of the credentials of all of these esteemed people who are sitting at the panel, you can really say that the winner will be the most deserving queen tonight.
Yes, I agree. We have read their credentials. We have proven that they are worthy to be on those seats, helping us choose the very first Bini-Bining Tanza 2026.
So once again, to all of our 9 judges, thank you so much. And it is our greatest pleasure and honor to have you here as part of Binibining Tanza 2026. By the way, to all of our online viewers, again, just keep on commenting. We have our social media manager. Binabasa po niya ang inyong comments. And of course, we are also monitoring you regarding your comments and how you cheer with your bet. But please make the comment section a safe space. No bashing, just pure love and support to all of our Binibinis. Because here in Tansa, turo nga po ng ating ama ng bayan na sa SM Matro, love for everyone.
That is true. And of course, di ba, yun nga yung answers ng ilan sa mga candidates natin. To be nice on social media because our words would affect and of course, it can hurt others' feelings.
Of course, but here in Tanza, again, we believe that love, of course, should be within us. Again, marami pong salamat to all of our judges, no, for being here with us. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. Again, I'd like to say thank you to Dr. Moses Aaron Angeles. Marami pong salamat. Palakpakan po natin, Tanzanians. Maraming salamat as well to Mr. Rene Rizael Ramos. Thank you so much for being here. Also, we would like to say thank you to Mr. Rudy Mayor Ocampo. Thank you so much.
Of course, Miss Carla Valderrama, maraming salamat po. Miss Abigail Semiliano, Mr. Christopher Munar, Miss Ashley Acuña, Miss Mikey Andre, and of course, Mr. Leo Vidalion. Again, thank you so much for your time. Hindi po kami mapapagod na pasalamatan kayo ngayong gabi.
How about partner? Would you like to say thank you to your sponsors?
Siyempre naman. Again, thank you so much to Sir Carl Arcusa for lending me all the beautiful gowns that I've worn tonight. Lagi niya akong hinahayaan to present myself beautifully with his creations.
Speaking of Carl Arcusa, as far as I know po, mga kababayan ng Tanzanians, mamaya ang ating top 5 will be wearing his creation as part of their outfits. Isa yon sa kanilang gagawin at doon natin sila mamaya i-judge. At maraming salamat for giving us the chance na masuot ang beautiful masterpiece ng nag-iisang Carl Arcusa. Actually, he's with us. He is with us tonight. Where's Carl?
I think he's actually backstage.
He's preparing for his moment later on.
He has prepared those 5 gowns especially for the top 5 Binibining Tanza 2026.
All right, now let me check the support of our top 10 finalists before we announce once again our top 5 because the result is almost in, but we would like to check again. Where are you people of Amaya Siete? Thank you so much. Once again, how about people from Barangay Biwas? Ladies and gentlemen, this time, I would love to hear Barangay Santol. Where are you? How about people from Barangay Sanha Mayor? Ladies and gentlemen, this time, the energy from people of Punta Uno. And of course, where are you? People from Barangay Bukal. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Hulugan 3, make some noise. Barangay Hulugan 7, where are you? Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Amaya 2. And of course, the Barangay Mulawi. Welcome back, Binibinis. After that Q&A, scores are in, and it's final and irrevocable. We would like to invite Santa Ana Law Firm, Attorney Mark Lester, to give us the result for our top 5. Thank you so much, sir. So, partner,
Ito na.
this is it.
Bayan ng Tanza, are you ready? Makikilala na natin ang top 5 for tonight.
Okay. Tanzeños, allow us to read the result just for less than 10 seconds so that we will not announce it erroneously or wrong. Okay? Thank you. Okay. It's final. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the top 5. Ladies, good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. First of our top 5 is Barangay Bukal!
Congratulations, Binibining Bukal, for making it to the top 5.
Once again, congratulations, Barangay Bukal!
The next candidate that have secured her spot in the top 5 tonight is Binibining Biwas!
Once again, congratulations, Barangay.
Biwas.
Okay. 3 spots left. Only 3. And one of them is for Barangay. Barangay San Hamayor.
Congratulations, Binibining San Hamayor! Again, we would like to remind everyone that the tabulation was carefully reviewed by Attorney Mark Lester Santa Ana.
Okay.
2 spots remaining. And one of them is for Barangay Mulawin.
Well, ladies, congratulations. 1 spot left. Just 1. Sino? And the last Binibini joining our top 5 is Barangay Santol!
gentlemen, we present to you Bini Bini Tanza 2026 Top 5.
But, ladies, we should not forget, palakpakan natin the rest of the ladies here. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you. You are all awesome. But, ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you our top 5. Okay. Now, maybe you are all wondering bakit nawala agad yung top 5 na. It's because
As we
Kakain-
mentioned earlier,
kakain sila ng dinner.
Sana
Gutom
all.
na daw sila. But the truth is, our top 5 will just change with their sponsored gown again under Mr. Carl Arcusa. Grabe. Grabe yung kaba.
All the gowns was specially made for the top 5 candidates for the very first ever Bini Bining Tanza 2026. That is how special this event is.
Once again, to our top 5, congratulations. And to the people of their barangay that they are representing for, congratulations as well sa inyong lahat. Once again, our first Bini Bini who entered top 5, Barangay Bukal.
Can we hear the supporters of Bini Bining BWAS?
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations! Pasok ang inyong binibini, Barangay San Hamayor!
All your efforts was not wasted, Barangay Mulawin!
And we are also celebrating with you, Barangay Santon! Yeah!
I think the crowd is very happy with the results, don't you think? Sobrang saya po nila. Sana wala kayong pasok tomorrow.
May pasok pa bukas? Meron?
Wala daw.
Anong araw pa bukas?
Friday.
Friday. May pasok ba? Meron?
Pero,
O i-comment nyo na sa sa live natin. Hashtag may pasok. May pasok pa bukas! Oh yeah, hindi ako nagsabi niyan. Buti lang tapos ako sa mga ganong season. But again, thank you for staying up to this time just to support your candidates. Tanzanians, are you still with us? Yes! Grabe, no? Well, pag nasa unahan ka talaga, pag nasa unahan ka, hindi mo makita kung marami pang tao. Nakita ko ang dami pang nandito, supporting every Binibini, especially the top 5. Wow. Thank you for that support. Speaking of support, hindi tayo magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat na nagpaabot ng kanilang suporta just to make this prestigious and first ever Binibining Tanza 2026 possible sa pangunguna ng ating mapagmahal at supportive na Mayor, Honorable Mayor SM Matro. At of course, sa tulong ng ating mga minamahal at kagalang-galangang Konsehal Derek Matro, Konsehal Alexis Dones, Konsehal Sherry Langit, Konsehal Ryan Mintu, ABZ Orly Gozo, SK President Patrick Bocalan, and of course, very dear to my heart, Municipal Admin Louis de la Cruz. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo para sa ating mga kandidata.
Now that we just announced our top 5, talagang literally, I can say that all of our binibinis ay one step closer to the crown at para sa ating first ever Binibini 2026. Nung nakita ko yung announcement, I got so amazed. Para po sa ating winner, siya po ay mag-uwi ng 200,000 pesos!
Grabing price yon, a very generous amount. Talagang masusuklian lahat ng effort, lahat ng pagod, hindi lang ng mga candidates, but also their team.
Aside from that, hindi lang sila makaka-receive ng 200,000 cash, but also a lot of sponsorship from our close sponsors natin. So actually, ito po ang mare-receive ng ating mga winners para sa ating fourth and third runner-up. Sila ay makaka-receive ng plaque mula po kay Carl Arcusa. Plaque, sash, and crown. Plus, makaka-receive din sila ng sponsorship from Amora Lounge, Bio Essence, 5,000 worth of GC, and a bouquet sponsored by La Sorpresa. Actually, ito ay galing pa lamang sa ating mga sponsors.
Yes, the sponsors alone. And for the second runner-up, she will be receiving plaque, sash, crown, a sponsorship from Amora Lounge, Angeli & Co, Bio Essence, and 10,000 worth of GC, FedPad Fitness, and of course, a bouquet from La Sorpresa.
Thank you so much once again to La Sorpresa. And para po sa ating first runner-up, the winner or the Binibini who will be hailed as our first runner-up will receive a plaque, sash, and crown. Amora Lounge, Angeli & Co. or company products. Bio Essence, 20,000 worth of GC. Maraming salamat to Ma'am Raquel Barria, our franchise owner. Also, makaka-receive ng FitPad Fitness. And again, a beautiful bouquet from La Sorpresa. And, partner, ang ating tatanghaling first ever Binibining Tanza 2026 will be receiving a 50,000 worth of services mula kay Poy R. Reyes Salon. Where's Poy? Ay, Poy, thank you. Ayan. If you're watching, my friend, thank you. Also, the winner will receive a plaque, sash, and crown. Maraming salamat to Amora Lounge, Skin Goddess owner, and also to Oral Drip owner. Makareceive din ng sponsorship. Plus, Bio Essence, Ma'am Raquel Barria, she is sponsoring 60,000 worth of GC sa ating first ever Binibining Tanza 2026.
Grabe, the sponsors alone, panalong-panalo na ang ating top 5 candidates.
Yes. Thank you. Salamat
Yes.
po sa lahat ng ating sponsors at to all of our Binibini candidates, especially sa ating top 5. Congratulations. Ang hirap ng laban, no?
Mahirap. Kung mahirap para sa atin,
Mas
pinapanood pa lang sila.
Mas mahirap sa mga
Siyempre,
judges.
mas mahirap para sa ating mga judges. Nasa kanila ang bigat ng responsibility of
Yes.
helping us crown the very first Binibining Tanza 2026.
And of course, maraming salamat po again to Santa Ana Law Firm for auditing the result, for making sure that we observe fairness, accuracy, and transparency alongside with the help of Sanbeda. Thank you for their system para po mas mapabilis ang pagbibigay ng resulta ngayong araw. Maraming salamat to Binibining Tanza 2026 management for having them. And shout out to Direct Kathy of K-Snap Productions. Thank you so much for the love and for always having us. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now take a look again to all of our sponsors for making this event possible. Let's play this. Thank you so much to Anyana. Thank you to O Grace Platters and Grazing Table. La Sorpresa Flower Shop, thank you. Also to Carl Arcusa, thank you so much. Thank you to Imperial Network Incorporated. Thank you to Oral Drip made in Japan. Thank you to Villa Excellence Beach and Wave Pool Resort, Antel Grand Village. Thank you as well to WPD Safety Gears and Devices, Skin Goodness, Skin City, On Image Photo Booth. Salamat to Poy R. Reyes and Polash. Thank you to Mikey Andre, Jojo Bragais. Thank you to Guns and AMMO. Maraming salamat to Don Claudius, Cafe Black and Brown, Armincia Dental Clinic. Maraming salamat to Angela and Company Beauty Studio, Argas, Fitpad, Amora Beauty Lounge and Cafe. Thank you to SM City Tanza Mesa Branch. Liao Yao, thank you. Bayou Essence, Shining Star Online Shop, Roadside Resto Bar, and Pro Friends. To all of our sponsors, thank you very much. Okay, so for our winners, for our title holders, the fourth runner-up, aside from the sponsorship, will receive 20,000 pesos. Our third runner-up will be taking home 30,000 pesos. Our second runner-up this time partner will be taking home
50,000 pesos. And of course, the first runner-up will be receiving 100,000 pesos.
And for the title of being the Binibining Tanza 2026, aside from the above-mentioned sponsorship, you will be taking home instant 200,000 pesos. Maraming salamat to Ma'am Christy Joy Alhigan, Audit and Assurance Manager from Arellano, Maldeo and Associates. Maraming salamat po. At mamaya, I think this specific firm will give us the final result, partner, sa kung sino man ang mag-uuwi ng mga prizes, of course, plus the title of being the first ever Binibining Tanza 2026.
Of course, assuring the fairness and equality still of this competition. That is our utmost priority tonight.
And of course, to Sir Mark Lester, siya po from Santa Ana Law Firm, will be the one to hand over the questions. Kung ano man po, of course, ang itatanong natin sa ating top 5. Again, they will be all going through same question. But for the ladies who's not answering here, we will be asking them to stay sa isang specific booth po natin. So ladies and gentlemen, I think the wait is over. It is now time to meet again all of our dazzling binibinis wearing a sponsorship gown by a beautiful and high caliber atelier, Carl Arcusa. And now, let's take another look to our top 5 Binibinis. Once again, Tanzanians, let's take another look to our top 5 Binibinis wearing the masterpiece of Carl Arcusa Atelier. Thank you so much, ladies. And now, Tanzanians, let me introduce to you the person behind this beautiful masterpiece. Please welcome Carl Arcusa. Once again, a round of applause to one of our major sponsor, Carl Arcusa. And now, ladies, thank you. We shall now proceed to our last question and answer portion. For this time, partner, we will be asking them the same question, and we would like to have here Dr. Christy Joy Alwigan, CPA, our external audit and assurance manager from Arellano, Maldeo and Associates, to give us the question.
Thank you so much, Miss Christy.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our last question and answer portion.
Are you ready, Bini Bining Bukal?
I'm more than ready.
She is more than ready.
Okay, now allow me to open the question.
Again, we would like to remind the audience to remain silent while the candidate is answering.
Thank you so much, ma'am lady. Okay, the remaining binibinis are in a safe place, of course. And they cannot hear us because, again, we will be asking same question. Binibini, I will be reading the question twice and we will give you the mic and you can answer. Okay, reminders to all of our beloved Tanzanians, please let us wait for your Binibini to fully answer and express herself before you cheer for her. Thank you for the usual support and understanding. The question is, what is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace, and why? Again, what is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence or AI and technology cannot replace, and why?
Good evening, everyone, and good evening, judges. Humanity, as we all know, is
having a respect for everyone, respect their beliefs, respect their gender, and respect that what the culture they have. And that is what the AI or artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace, because as we all know, AI and technology is all about the programming system that also people develop using software. And I believe that human is still more reliable when it comes to humanity, because we all know how to respect, how to care, and how to love each other. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much, Binibining Bukal.
I agree with that.
Yes, of course.
I love that answer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after our first Binibini, again sa ating official live, let us know your thoughts about her answer. Just comment down. Again, it's all about just love. No bashing, no any bad comments. Again, let's keep that space safe for everyone. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, shall we welcome our next Binibini to answer the same question.
Let us welcome back on stage, Binibining Biwas.
All right. Actually, it will actually take them like such a quiet time to be here because again, galing po sila sa kanilang booth or holding area. So thank you so much for your patience. But again, welcome po sa last segment of our prestigious Binibining Tanza 2026. Again, let us now have our next Binibini.
Binibining Biwas. Again, Binibining Biwas is to answer the same question that was given to us earlier.
Hi, Binibining Biwas. It's nice to see you. Welcome to the top 5. Congratulations. Your team and your family are all happy for you. They are here. Yeah? Now, you will be answering the question and your John host will be reading it twice for you. Go,
You
John.
ready? Binibining Biwas, this is your final question. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace, and why? I will repeat the question. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace, and why?
Thank you for that. I believe that AI right now help a lot of people in terms of many aspects. But I do believe that one thing that cannot replace AI is human. Their ability, their talents, and their ability to feel emotions. As humans, in my community, as humans tend to feel emotion because in emotion we learn. We feel them because every opportunity that we experience is an investment for us to be stronger and wiser. Hence, AI can be positive and negative, but being a human is an enough reason to be something else. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibining Biwas. Again, congratulations for making it to the
Yes.
top 5.
Actually, the first 2 Binibinis nailed it. However, again, as much as we want to support every Binibini, we would like to remind all of you, kindly let the Binibini answer first. If you want your Binibini that you are supporting to be fully heard, please let her finish first before you react. Thank you.
Medyo mahirap iwasan mag-cheer.
Because you want your Binibini to win, yet you're not
Yes.
allowing her to finish first, right? Okay, thank you. No hate, just love and a gentle reminder. Let's move on to our next Binibini.
I think the next Binibini is ready. Let us welcome back on stage, Binibini Sanha Mayor.
Okay, hi, Binibini, Sanha Mayor. I want to see where are your supporters again. Binibini, Sanha Mayor. Okay, thank you. Binibini, Sanha Mayor, welcome to the top 5. You deserve to be here. Yes, okay. Here is your question. I'll be reading it twice. Listen. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence or AI and technology cannot replace and why? Again, what is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence or AI and technology cannot replace and why?
As people, we feel emotions and empathy to other people. And I think that AIs are not able to copy that from us. We are a person who is very open and we can express our emotions to everyone. I stand here because I think that people believed in me, people trusted me to be here today. And I think artificial intelligence can destroy a human's emotions if they copy it, but a true emotion of a human cannot replace it because we are honest with what we feel and we express it to other people. And I think that is what we should be proud of. We are human who is able to express our emotions and show the people that we are human who cannot be replaceable. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibining Sanha Mayor.
Wow. Yun lang masasabi ko, wow. Ang gagaling ng mga kandidata natin.
Talagang pinapahirapan nila ang ating Board of Judges
They didn't
tonight.
just prepare physically but also mentally and emotionally. Thank
They
you.
are proving to us that they are worthy
Yeah.
for that spot.
Moving on. And how about our next Binibini?
The next Binibini is ready and she is from Barangay Mulawin. Welcome back, Barangay Mulawin.
Hi there. Welcome to the top 5. Thank you. There you go. Okay, now John will be reading the question twice. Listen carefully
Read it twice.
and answer it with the best that you can.
Good luck. This is your final question. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence or AI and technology cannot replace and why? I will repeat. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace and why?
The one thing that AI can never replace is art. In line with my advocacy and program of bringing accessibility of the arts to the children, AI can never do this job. It is us candidates, it is us empowered individuals who will be able to teach not just my barangay, but the whole community of Tanza of the importance of art and culture in promoting our hometown. AI can never become a queen of action, and AI can never become a beacon of change. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Binibining Mulawin.
Feeling ko, lahat ng kandidata, valedictorian. nung nag-aaral sila. Grabe, apakatalino, super. By the way, share ko lang po, no? I would like to share to all of you that the question that we've been asking to all of our binibinis was created by our very supportive municipal admin, Sir Louis V. De La Cruz. Sir Luisito, thank you so much. I love that. Okay? Ang hirap ng tanong for me, but sa mga girls, no, it seems that it's very easy for them to answer it.
Tsaka alam mo, the question is about AI and the girls are sounding like ChatGPT. Grabe yung bilis nila mag-isip.
Well, it's really something that I'm sure that all of their answers came from their heart. That's
Yes.
why napakabilis ng flow ng thoughts.
They are proving to us that they cannot be replaced by AI.
Yes.
For our last candidate, let us welcome back on stage, Binibining Santol.
Hi. Hi, Binibining Santol. How is it going? From kanina, we're just starting now, we are down to top 5. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
She's always ready. Okay, so I'll be asking the question to you twice. Listen and answer it. Now, the question goes like this. What is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and our technology cannot replace, and why? Again, what is the aspect of humanity that artificial intelligence and technology cannot replace, and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If there was one aspect AI can never ever copy from us humanity, it is our empathy towards one another. I believe to be empathetic, you will need a soul. And that is one thing nothing can replace, especially AI. So if there was one thing that AI could never ever replace, it is our soul to be empathetic towards one another. Thank you.
Ang gagaling nilang lahat. Grabe. Silang 5 kandidata, silang top 5. Saludo kami sa inyo. Para kayong dictionary lahat. Hindi ako makapag-react. Grabe. Parang pwedeng one day pag nag-host ako, hiramin ko muna yung mga vocabulary that they are using. But if there is one thing that AI cannot replace, yan ang inyong support at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat! Kala ko sasagutin ko pa eh. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just wrap up that part, our last part, the Q&A, the final Q&A for our ladies. Now, partner, we are just waiting for the most exciting yet nerve-wracking part, the announcement of our winners. At sino kaya ang magiging first ever Binibining Tansa? Grabe. Well, salamat po. Yes, thank you. I heard that. I heard the first word sa kanta na lagi nating piniplay and it says, mabuhay. Mabuhay lahat ng binibini, mabuhay ang judges, organizers, mabuhay ang bayan ng Tansa!
Maraming salamat po sa pag-stay ninyo dito to support all the candidates tonight. We really appreciate your presence. Maraming salamat po ulit.
And I hope, partner, nag-enjoy ka sa pagstay mo dito sa aming vibrant, colorful, at very expressive, progressive town, Tansa. Did you enjoy
Yes.
your stay?
I did. Grabe yung energy ng Tanzeños. From our opening up to the top 5, grabe, consistent, walang nagbago. Nabawasan man yung candidates, but the loud cheers, ganun pa rin kalakas. Kahit di natin sila nakikita,
At
rinig na rinig natin sila.
May utang kami sa yung palabok dito po sa ating kapartner, okay?
Tatandaan ko po yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, to wrap up today's beautiful celebration of beauty and elegance, we would love to share with you the culmination of today's event in the form of on-site photo and SDE. As a wedding supplier myself, amaze ako. May SDE po tayo ngayong araw. Kaya naman, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Direk Cathy of K-Snap Production, iba ka talaga. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the on-site photo and SDE for Binibining Tanza 2026 Coronation Night.
Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Walk into the room like, who's that? It's me. I'ma get to work, get a hard hat. It's easy. I'ma take it to the end zone, leave a hater in the friend zone. If you don't get the vision, then stop talking, start listening. Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. I'ma be shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. You are shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star. What I do is fantastic. You can't grab it, you can't have it. I shine so bright, it's crazy. My schedule hazy. You love to hate me. It's a full moon out, so you know what I'm all about. Shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. You know I'll be shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star.
This is the start. I feel it taking over, burning like a fire in the dark. Now is the time. I'm calling all the dreamers. Let your colors burst into the light. Hold on, this is our moment.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Tanzanians, make some noise!
I am ready to help move our town forward.
Highlighting our culture and tourism.
Let us stand together and advocate for free.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to the biggest and grandest celebration of beauty and elegance. Tonight, 33 Binibinis will vie for the crown, and they will prove to you that they have the charisma, intelligence, and elegance to be the first ever Binibining Tanza 2026.
We can build the future when Tanza shine as a vibrant cultural and historical destination.
How dare you?
Leadership is a power, and power comes with responsibility. And I think I am more than ready to be a leader, that if I will win the crown tonight, I will be able to influence the people of Tanza, especially the youth.
I do believe that education is the first step to have a sustainable tourism industry while preserving our culture.
Let's protect Tanza today so that 20 years from now, our children can inherit a home that is clean, green, and full of life. Because Tanza is a treasure. Let's make sure it lasts forever.
There's a spark inside your heartbeat. I can see it.
Tansenyos, let's promote the what we call sariling atin. Don't let urbanization be the downfall of our own beautiful culture and tourism sites here in Tanza.
From here to beyond.
My goal is to be more than just a title holder. I want to be a voice that empowers our community, promotes sustainable tourism, and proudly showcases the true beauty, culture, and heart of Tanza to the world.
I will not just wear the crown. I will use it as a platform to tell our story to the world. Because I believe that when we promote Tanza, we are promoting our own people.
We want to share the pride and excellence of a proud Tanzanians because the real asset of Tanza is its own people. Thank you.
From here to beyond. Let your light shine for all to see.
I'd like to become the first Binibining Tanza because I know that I can set a precedent to what a true Binibini is. I am standing here not just as a woman of words, but I'm standing here as a queen of action who will continue to inspire not just my barangay, but the whole community of Tanza. Thank you.
Let your light shine.
Wow, what an incredible on-site photo and same-day edit video from K-Snaps Productions. Grabe, first ever na makaka-witness tayo ng same-day edit video sa isang prestigious pageant. Again, maraming salamat to Direct Cathy of K-Snap Production. Pero kanina partner, Natuwa talaga ako. Lalo na nung nakita ko, merong may suportang may dalang kaldero at syanse. Nasaan po yun? Yung may dalang kaldero at syanse po kanina, baka nagsaing pa po tayo dyan. Grabe. Ganon ang pagmamahal ng mga Tanzania sa bawat binibini. Palakpakan po natin ang ating on-site photo and same-day edit video. And now, ladies and gentlemen, again, we would like to say thank you to all of our loving and very generous sponsors. Maraming salamat for helping us through and making this, of course, pageant possible. The first ever Binibining Tanza 2026. Again, maraming salamat to our Mayor, Mayor SM Matro. Palakpakan natin. Thank you, Mayor. Also to Konsehal Derek Matro, Konsehal Alexis Dones, Konsehal Cheryl Langit, Konsehal Ryan Mintu, ABC Orly Gozo, SK President Patrick Bucalan, at Municipal Admin Luisito de la Cruz. Siya rin po ang nagbigay ng ating final question sa ating top 5 Binibinis. Ladies and gentlemen, sino kaya ang ating Binibining Tanza 2026? Kahit ako, hindi ko alam. I think, lalo na nung naging top 5,
Sobrang hirap.
hindi ko na alam kung sino pa ang nanalo.
Kung ikaw yung nakaupo doon,
Kung ako'y
as
nakaupo
one of
doon,
the Board of Judges, kakayanin mo pa ba?
kung ako'y nakaupo doon, hindi ako nangangaling ngayon dito. Joke lang. Kung ako nakaupo dyan, hirap na rin akong mamili kung sinong winner. Lahat po sila ay may equal chance of winning. But again, in every pageant, there is winner and there will be next time for the rest of the girls. Kaya naman, pero walang umuuwing talo pag dito
Yes,
sa Binibining
of course.
Tanza. Lahat sila may na-receive, hindi lamang ng mga tangible items, but also intangible items such as support at love ng mga taong nandito. Again, maraming salamat. Kayo po ang malaking factor at reason why we can call that this is such a very successful launching of the first ever Binibining Tanza 2026. Sana makabalik pa tayo next year, partner. No? Direct, next year. Thank you so much po. And now, we would like to give you again the idea kung magkano, or should I say, ano po ang maiuuwi ng ating mga mananalong kandidata. Go, partner.
For the fourth and the third runner-up, they will be receiving a plaque, sash, crown, and sponsorships from Amora Lounge, BioEssence, 5,000 worth of GC, and of course, a bouquet from La Sorpresa. The cash prize again is worth 20,000 and 30,000 naman for the third runner-up. For the second runner-up naman, she will be receiving a plaque, sash, crown, a sponsorship from Amora Lounge, Angeline Co, BioEssence, 10,000 worth of GC, FitPad Fitness, and of course a bouquet from La Sorpresa. The second runner-up will be receiving 50,000 pesos. The first runner-up naman, she will also be receiving a plaque, sash, and crown, and of course sponsorships from Amora Lounge, Angeline Co, BioEssence of 20,000 worth of GC, FitPad Fitness, and a bouquet from La Sorpresa, and of course, 100,000 pesos. And syempre, for our very first Binibining Tanza 2026, she will be receiving 50,000 pesos from a very generous sponsor, Mr. Poy Reyes, as well as plaque, sash, crown, sponsorships from Amora Lounge, Skin Goddess, Oral Drip, and BioEssence of 60,000 worth of GC. At syempre, 200,000 pesos!
Palakpakan naman natin. Well, kung sino man ang mananalo, manlilibre
Sana.
ng luglog sa kanya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know you have been waiting for this moment to come. Are we all ready to find out who will be our new queen? But before that, I think let us welcome first, or let us have another look sa ating top 5 partner who aced the question and answer portion. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Binibini 2026 top 5.
Again, let us welcome back on stage Binibining Bukal, Binibining Biwas, Binibining Sanha Mayor, Binibining Mulawin, and Binibining Santol. To be accompanied, of course, by their sisters.
I love that. Sisters. Right. They are all sisters by heart. That is for sure.
Again, let's give a big round of applause to the rest of the Binibining Kansa 2026 candidates. You know, that is how much they love and support their sisters kasi they stayed the whole program to see kung sino ang makokoronahan tonight. And I believe this is what sisterhood is really all about.
Welcome again on stage, Binibinis. You are all gorgeous and all professional by heart. Wow, we admire you. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our top 5 Binibinis. Palakpakan po natin.
Again, Binibining Kansa 2026 top 5 candidates.
Okay. Ladies, Binibinis, good luck. And Tanseños, to give us the official and tallied result, let us now welcome Attorney Lester from Santa Ana Firm.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Attorney. Top 5 Binibinis, good luck. And this is it. Wait po ha, allow us to absorb everything in. Okay. Kahit po kami kinakabahan din. Wala namang nakakita sa likod, no? Hindi mo naman... Kidding aside. Okay! Tanseños, once again, are you all ready? Kahit ako kinakabahan, but this is it. Okay. Our first title will be fourth runner-up title. And, should I announce it? The Binibining Tansa 2026 fourth runner-up is... Fourth runner-up is Binibining Biwas.